Hello students, welcome to the channel. So today in this video we are going to cover some questions with their brief explanation. So here we have a first question is, which of the following is vitamin K dependent clothing factor? And the options are, option A is factor 7, option B is factor 1, option C is factor 11, option D is factor 12. So which of the following is vitamin K dependent clothing factor? So the correct answer is factor 7 is the vitamin K dependent clothing factor. So here we have just here we have just detailed description about that vitamin K dependent factors are clothing factors, that is factor 2, 7, 9th and 10th, and anti-clotting factor protein is C and protein S. So the option A is the right answer, that is factor 7. Let's discuss another question, that in welding of aerosol containers, which process are used? P. Sudronic system, Q. Sartorius system, R. Convolt system, and S. Erla cell system. And the options are, option A is P and Q, option B is Q and S, option C is Q and R, option D is P and R. So which option is the correct answer? So the correct answer is PR, that is Sudronic system and Sartorius system are the process used in welding of aerosol containers. Here we have just a detailed description on this, that Sudronic and Convolt systems are used in the manufacture of aerosols containers, and where Erla cell is a non-ionic surfactant. So hence the option D is the correct answer. Next question is, angiology is the study of, and the options are, option A is serum, option B is blood circulation, option C is heart, option D is bone. So angiology is the study of blood circulation. That it is a medical specialty which studies the disease of the circulatory system and of the lymphatic system, that is arteries, veins and lymphatic vessels and its disease. So the B is the correct answer, that is the blood circulation. Next question is, the starting material for the synthesis of ketoconazole, and the options we are having are, option A is 2,4-dichloroacetophenone, option next question is, the starting material of for the synthesis of ketoconazole is, and the options are, option A is 2,4-dichloroacetophenone, option B is 2,5-dichloroacetophenone, option C is 2,4-dichlorobenzophenone, option D is dichlorobenzophenone. So the starting material for the synthesis of ketoconazole is the 2,4-dichloroacetophenone. Here we have just a simple explanation that the synthesis of ketoconazole starts with the dichloroacetophenone and glycerine. So the option A is the correct answer. Next question is, which of the following substance undergoes sublimation on heating? Option that is iodine, naphthalene and camphor, and the options are 1 and 2, option A, option B is 1 and 3, option C is 2 and 3, or option D is all of them. So which of the following substance undergoes sublimation on heating? The correct answer is all of them, that is iodine and naphthalene and camphor are undergo sublimation on heating. Next question is, the C-methyl groups of alkaloids is estimated by the method. Option A is Herzig-Meyer, option B is Kuhn-Roth oxidation, option C is Zervotanoff, option D is Ahmed. So the C-methyl groups of alkaloids is estimated by the method of, that is Kuhn-Roth oxidation. So let's discuss with the help of explanation. that Herzig-Meyer method involves determination of alkylamide or methylamino group, where C-methyl groups are quantitatively estimated by the Kuhn-Roth oxidation, which is the correct answer, and the Zudranov determination or Zervitinov determination is a quantitative chemical test for the determination of active hydrogens in a chemical substance, where the amide reaction or amide degradation or amide reduction is the method for the reduction of quaternary ammonium cation to a tertiary amine with sodium amalgam. So option B is the correct answer, that is the Kuhn-Roth oxidation. Next question is that above 70 degrees Celsius, sodium bicarbonate has a property of gradually decomposing, which makes it usable in bakery products. So which among the following end product of this thermal decomposition of sodium bicarbonate makes it usable for the above purpose? And the options are, option A is hydrogen, option B is carbon dioxide, option C is water vapor, and option D is sodium carbonate. So which is the correct answer? The correct answer is carbon dioxide is the which makes it usable for the bakery product. Here we have explanation that above 70 degree sodium bicarbonate gradually decomposes into sodium carbonate, water, and carbon dioxide. As we can see, observe in the name reaction that sodium bicarbonate is converts in sodium carbonate, water, and carbon dioxide. So in bakery, it reacts with the other components or decomposes at a higher temperature to release carbon dioxide, which causes dough to rise. So option B is the correct answer. Next question is find out the wrong statement. We have to find out the wrong statement, students, and the options are, option A is Marconic equation is used to estimate molecular weight of polymer. Intrinsic viscosity is obtained from plot of reduced viscosity versus concentration. Option C is Sprengli soluble, that is 10 to 30 parts of solvent is required to solubilize 1 part of solute. And option D is dielectric constant of water at 25 degrees Celsius is 78.5. So which is the wrong statement? So the correct answer is that option C, Sprengli soluble 10 to 30 part of solvent is required to solubilize 1 part of solute is a wrong statement. So it means there are 3 statements. These are the correct one. That Marconic equation is used to estimate molecular weight of polymer, where intrinsic viscosity was obtained from plot of reduced viscosity versus concentration, where dielectric constant of water at 25 degrees Celsius is 78.5. So Sprengli soluble means 30 to 10 parts of solvent is required to solubilize 1 part of solute is the incorrect one. So it is the correct answer. Next question is identify the wrong match of the act and its enacted year. And the options are, option A is Patents Act in 1970, option B is AICTE Act 1967, Poison Act 1999, Factories Act 1948. So which is the wrong match? The wrong match is AICTE Act, that is 1967. So the AICTE Act was enacted in the year of 1987, not 67. So hence B is the correct answer. Next and last question of this video, students. All of the following drugs act on an ionic channel except nicotine. Option B is insulin. Option C is glibenclamide. Option D is diazepam. So all the drugs act on ionic channel except, and the correct answer is insulin. It does not act on ionic channel. That nicotine acts on NM and NN receptors, which are inotropic receptors, where diazepam acts on GABA benzyl chloride channel complex that mediates entry of chloride, where glibenclamide is a sulfonyl urea that acts on acetylcholine sensitive potassium channels, where insulin acts on enzymatic receptors. So B is the correct answer. B is the right answer. That is the insulin. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching.